Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Sadia and I moved again to the third and the final episode of the geometric shift. So that's why we made our last button. I will give the name rectangle. And now I put it in the place and size as I like. I'm back on my code screen. Now I go to the event block, and first of all, as usual, I choose the when green flag click block and now go to the motion block, and I set the X and Y position of this button. Now I take a broadcast block from the event, and when this sprite click like rectangle, then we send the message rectangle. Now I change the sprite name. Now I go to the sound block and take a play sound until done all the code. And now I go to the pencil block and I even block and choose when I receive rectangle. What should I do? Now I go to the motion block and as usual I set the X and Y position. Then I go to the pen block and choose the erase all block and then pen down and then set the pen color to black and the pen size to 5. Now I go to the control block and I choose a repeat block and I set the time to, and now I go to the motion block and move 100 steps first, and then I take wait a second from the control block after the move block and I take turn 90 degrees at last. Then I again take a move block, it will be 80 steps and again turn the 90-degree angle. So this is full code of my rectangle shape, and here you can see all the codes. Then we will make a more perfection in this code. So we go to the variable and make a new variable. It will be pencil size and it will be a slider. We can change the size of a pencil. We click the right button of the mouse and unlock the slider, and I take a pen size block from the variable and set all the blocks to the pen size, and if I change the slider to any size, then it will be change the size of a pen. So that's why I do this code, and you can see the result what happens there. Now I take the when green flag click from the event block and say the pencils X and Y position, and when I click the green flag, then the pencil will save the X and Y position. Now you can see the result. Now I will go sprite again and make two sprites, one black and one white, and put this in the right place and make them a little smaller and change their names. Now I as usual set when green flag click and then go to X and Y position, and then when this sprite click we broadcast a message, it will be black. Then I will play a sound and then go to the pencil. When I receive the black, and the pen color will be black, and that's why I remove all the set pen color to block, because one time I do this code, that's why. We kept the last block because we will need this code, and Now we go to the white sprite and we do the same code that we did in the black sprite. Now I take when I receive the masses white, then set the pen color to white, and now let's check, is it working? Yes, it's working because I can change the pencil size and I can change the color of the pencil. So this is all for today, and you have to remember that always save your project. But we forget to set our pen size as a slider. So then I again say that, and let's see the result. Uh, yes, this is all the result. And be safe and pray for me. I'm Sadia. Let's see you on the next video.